Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. In this video, I am going to explain one special type of diffusion. It frequently takes place through a plasma membrane or living membrane which is present around the cell. It is called facilitated diffusion. In facilitated diffusion also, the movement of molecules, it always takes place from the region of higher concentration to region of its lower concentration without using ATP energy through a living membrane or plasma membrane. But at the time of their movement, especially the size of the substances and its solubility nature in lipids, these two factors, it affects their transportation. So in facilitated diffusion, the movement of substances depends on the two factors. One is called size of the substance, and second factor is solubility, the solubility in lipids. So these two factors, when in facilitated diffusion, the movement of substances takes place through the plasma membrane. At this time, the size of the substances, it affects their movement. For example, if any small sized substances are there, such type of small sized substances can easily pass through the membrane from region of higher concentration to region of its lower concentration, but it becomes difficult to pass large sized molecules through this plasma membrane. And one more important factor, that is solubility in lipids. The chemical nature of plasma membrane is lipid nature because it is made up of a phospholipid bilayer. If any type of substances, it can easily dissolve in lipids, these substances can easily pass through the plasma membrane, but as that is hydrophilic molecules or lipid insoluble molecule, it becomes difficult to pass through this plasma membrane. At this time, such type of large sized substances and lipid insoluble or hydrophilic substances movement, it is supported by a special proteins present in plasma membrane, and these proteins are called protein channels. These are called protein channels. Their movement is facilitated by these protein channels or protein transporters without using ATP energy. Why? Because already concentration gradient is present in between both sides of the plasma membrane layer, but the movement of large sized molecules and a lipid insoluble hydrophilic molecule movement is facilitated by these protein channels. Such type of transportation is called facilitated diffusion. In facilitated diffusion, when we observe some important differences in between diffusion and facilitated diffusion. This facilitated diffusion, it is supported by the special protein transporters. The movement of substances are supported by protein transporters. At the same time, this transportation, it is more specific. It is more specific. So all type of molecules never pass through the membrane. Only selected molecules can be allowed through the membrane by protein channels in facilitated diffusion. At the same time, these facilitated diffusion, especially the protein channels, are more sensitive to inhibitors. These are more sensitive to inhibitors. Some of the chemical substances which inhibits or stop the process of transportation, if these inhibitors can bind on side chains of proteins. For example, it is a protein transporter, protein channel. It having a side chain. If any inhibitor binds on this side chain, immediately the process of facilitated diffusion, it will be stopped, so that these protein transporters are more sensitive to inhibitors. At the same time, when the facilitated diffusion takes place through the membrane, the transportation, when it reach maximum, in such condition the protein transporters get saturated. So one more important difference is the protein transporters get saturated. When the transportation reach maximum, in such condition the protein transporters get saturated and they can constantly transport substances from region of higher concentration to region of its lower concentration. At the same time, in plasma membrane, we can observe very large sized pores. These pores are called as porins. So porin is nothing but a pore. Pore is formed by the protein channels. So these pores are referred as porins. These porins have a capability to allow the movement of large sized molecules which is equal to proteins. These are the porins made up of protein channels present in plasma membrane. Especially these porins can be observed in outer membrane of some of the cell organelles like plastids, mitochondria, and along with that in some bacteria cells. So porins are the pores formed by protein channels, can be seen in outer membrane of some cell organelles like plastids, mitochondria, and in some bacteria cells. In similar way, some of the porins are protein transporters present in a plasma membrane. For example, it is the plasma membrane with a protein transporter. The protein transporter present in this plasma membrane have a rotation capacity. It has a capability to rotate. Due to this rotation capacity, if any substances binds outside of this protein, at this time the protein transporter, it will be rotated. Then when it is rotated, these substances can be transported to inner side from region of higher concentration to region of its lower concentration without using ATP energy. Such type of protein transporters are present in water channel. Example for this protein transporters, water channels. So these water channels present in plasma membrane, especially is made up of 8 different types of aquaporins. So in this way the facilitated diffusion takes place. The facilitated diffusion is a type of diffusion. It also takes place depending upon concentration gradient without using ATP energy, but it takes place through a living membrane with the help of protein channels present in its structure. The movement of substances can depends on the size and its solubility in lipids. The protein transporters are more specific. It allow only selected molecules and these are more sensitive to inhibitors. Especially during this diffusion, these protein transporters get saturated when the diffusion rate reach maximum. And porins are the pores present in outer membrane of some of the cell organelles like plastids, mitochondria, and some bacteria. These proteins becomes into pore and it allow the movement of some of the substances which size equal to proteins. And some of the proteins which are present, the proteins which are present in plasma membrane, it have a capability to rotate. Because of its rotation capacity, the substance, if it bind on outside of the protein, when it is rotated, then it will be released to inside of the membrane. Example, water channels. So water channel is made up of 8 different types of aquaporins. It is a mechanism of facilitated diffusion.